Is it ever too late to treat hair loss, or can the right treatment still wake up sleeping follicles? So sometimes it might be too late. So if the follicles are dead, it's very hard to recreate something that's already died. However, many times hair loss can occur, but the follicles, the actual root of that hair is not dead. It's just gone dormant. So that can be reawakened and that can be recharged. So we do have devices that we can, treat your scalp with. And then we, of course, complement it with nutrients, intravenous nutrients, and we also complement it with nutrients that we place inside urine. Actually, I brought here, there's a serum like this. This thing is called Derive. Now, this is not something that is for sale. This is like you come to a doctor's office and they will give it to you when you go through a treatment. So this is like, it has like ampules. You take out those ampules. Like this has like 10 ampules. You take one and put it in your hair after the treatments with these hair follicle renewing treatments. And these are lasers which also give the hair follicles radio frequency energy, and that basically just pushes them back to life and they start regrowing. We also put something called platelet-rich plasma, which we derive from your own blood. So we draw your blood, we spin it, we take the clear fluid which holds all the growth factors and stem cells and all the interleukins that are good for growing. It becomes like a good fertilizer that we place back into your dormant cells. And that also helps your hair to grow back. However, again, if your hair follicle has been dead and gone for like ages, can you grow it back? No. At that point, we'll probably send you to somebody who can do a transplant of hair. So they'll remove hair from somewhere else and put it on your scalp and grow new hair. However, even the growth, so the reason your hair fell for the first time was whatever those reasons are. If you're not gonna correct those root reasons for hair loss, the new crops that you may place will also fall off. So how many hair transplants go bad within a few years? Like I can't even count how many people I've met who have lost their crops of hair. And that's one of the things that, you have to find out why you're losing hair. And then you have to also find out what can you do to keep the new crop of hair.